So we've been in Ubud now for just over 2 weeks, and well, I've definitely noticed some key differences from Canggu. So today we're in the heart of Ubud. We're currently near the Royal Palace, and I believe something special is happening today. I need to speak to more locals to find out exactly what is going on, but it is looking busy ahead. So let's see what's going on today. Behind me, there's this massive tower kind of thing they've built, and there's a massive horse and dragon, and I believe they're going to be transferring it down to the cemetery, and it's so heavy they need 100 people to carry it. For the first 500 meters, I believe they need to change for the next 100 people to carry it until they get to the cemetery. So very special day in Ubud, in Bali, I should say. Looking forward to seeing it. It's very busy. A lot of people trying to sell me sarongs, which I don't really want or need right now. There's a lot happening in Ubud, which I didn't know existed.
No, it's so jiggly. Oh my god! Whoa. Chad.
We're currently at Alas Haram.
Alas Haram, Bali.
Yeah, it's super nice. It's a massive facility, and there's so many different things here. But before we actually came here, we went to this super nice restaurant called Blend Cafe.
Oh, the smoothie bowls were so nice, and it was just designed so beautifully.
Yeah.
It's like you do want to eat it because it's just so pretty. But I'll definitely recommend going. They also do food as well. We didn't try the food, but the smoothie bowls were really nice.
Yeah, I'll definitely go back again, 100%. Yeah. And as you said, the decoration of it, it was like a piece of art. That's the only way to describe it.
Yeah.
Piece of art. But this place right now.
Oh wait, also, sorry, we got tattoos this morning as well.
Yeah, we did.
So with my yoga teacher.
What was that?
That dropped. Oh my gosh.
What dropped?
This thing here.
Well, this is classical Shadea breaking things.
Okay, sorry. So.
By the way, none of this has been taken out of the edit, so people know the real Shadea that I have to put up with on a day-to-day basis.
Anyways, so we got tattoos this morning. So with my yoga teacher training course, they actually gifted us a tattoo of an which is so lovely. And also as well, I did want to get my personal tattoos, so I got a sun and a moon on my ankles. So the moon was on my left side and the sun on my right side. It's like feminine and masculine energy, like balancing it out.
And what does what's represent? What's it mean?
Is like supreme consciousness, divine. It's actually a sound, so when you go but this is a symbol of it because I'm really into meditation and spirituality, so yeah. And
I was really spontaneous. I thought, I want to get a palm tree, and then I went and got a palm tree right here.
But anyway, so yeah, we're back at Alas Haram. We underestimated it. We just thought, let's just take a trip out, and it's huge. It's got massive rice fields, it got swings, like the famous Bali swing when you got the dress and everything. It's got a couple swings, zip lines, and the beach pool club.
Yeah, like a pool kind of club, like an infinity pool.
Yeah.
But there's loads of different levels to it, and you can get like beds as well if you're 2 people, 4 people, up to 8 people. I think there's different beds for. And there's so many different restaurants, coffee places, and they've got a coffee tour as well, and they've got the traditional
luwak.
Luwak Bali coffee, which is it's not a cat though. What is it again?
It's a type of cat, luwak cat, I think.
I thought it was like a anyway, search it.
Animal that actually poos and that makes the coffee.
Yeah, so what they try and say is they try and make it fancy, saying they digest it through this thing, and then something, but it's just the animal's poo pretty much, and they make coffee out of it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna try it, I'm not gonna lie. I do love coffee, but I'm not brave enough to try something
animal's
animal's poo. No, it doesn't really
But
make
loads
sense.
of people have tried it and liked it, so if you want to, then no shame in doing it.
Yeah, but I think we'll definitely come back here once we're more prepared.
Yeah, actually bring swimwear as well to go to the beach club, and I actually want to do the swing, so I'm gonna come back and do the Bali swing, get some photos. But yeah, today was just kind of like a spontaneous thing. It is a bit pricey though. Just to get in, it was 50,000 each, and then for all the activities it's like maybe around 250 if you want to do zip lining.
Well, to get in it wasn't too much. 50,000 is around £2. I think it's more the activities that's expensive.
Yeah, well I guess yeah. And then the beach club, I think the tables or the beds is like minimum 2 million for a bed, so just be prepared to come and spend some money. Yeah,
and also we forgot to mention that we did want to go on the couple Bali swing, but we was too heavy.
Not the swing.
The couple bike zip line, but it was too heavy. It doesn't make sense. I mean, we're not big people. Well,
so the maximum for 2 people was 150 kg.
And we was 157 kilos.
Yeah, so
we Shadea weighed 100 and... yeah, we didn't make the cut.
No, which is a shame, but like we're normal couple size, so really and truly they should have made it like enough for a normal couple, but I guess health and safety.
I guess I got to come back next month. I got to try and lose 7 kilos.
I think that's doable for you.
Yeah, in maybe in England, not on holiday when I'm eating all this nice food.
True. So yeah, I think for the rest of the day we're just gonna walk around the rice fields because it's absolutely beautiful here, and they've got loads of statues and things like that, and then maybe get dinner somewhere, but we're not really sure yet.
We'll just see where the what's the saying, where the wind takes us.
Yeah.
We'll see where the wind takes us, and let's be on.
Yes. Having fun, yeah?
So we've been in Ubud now for just over 2 weeks, and well, I've definitely noticed some key differences from Canggu. Have you noticed any differences?
Yeah, definitely. It's more chill, more quieter, and more jungle vibes as well. There's a lot more greenery, and it rains more.
Yeah, definitely.
It rains more than Canggu, so it is a big difference. What's the main things for you?
I think in Ubud there's not as much going on compared to Canggu. Like there's still things happening.
Yeah.
But I feel in Canggu a lot of things are closer together, so it's easier to get around to different places, which is very useful. And I also feel in Canggu it's a better kind of hub for if you're out here like as a digital nomad doing remote working, because there's so many different co-working cafes. There is some in Ubud, but nowhere near as much as Canggu, I'd say.
Yeah, I think Ubud's more for if you're coming for like holistics or yoga or a spiritual retreat, things like that, because there's a lot of yoga studios. So if you definitely want to come for yoga and things like that, Ubud's the place. It's better than Canggu, probably the best in the island. It's kind of the hub for yoga.
Yeah.
So
I think also like healthy eating, like vegan foods as well.
Loads of vegan options and loads of like holistic treatments as well, because you can get purified, have spiritual readings, spiritual treatments. So it's very good if you want to come here and kind of cleanse yourself, purify yourself. And they even have the water temples as well that we haven't gone to yet, but we do want to go, where you can just get purified and cleansed.
So adding on to that, Ubud's a great place to come for like tourist attractions, because I think in Bali most of the tourist attractions will be in Ubud. If I'm not mistaken, because you've got the monkey forest, you've got the temples, as you said, the water temples,
all the waterfalls,
waterfalls. So yeah, this is kind of the hub for the touristy places. So, but I would say if
you're living here,
if you're living here, you know, just bear that in mind. Also, there's a lot of stuff going on upstairs. It feels like the roof's going to cave in. But yeah, also I would say, you know, should you live in Canggu or in Ubud, or if you're traveling on a holiday, where would you base yourself?
Not base yourself, but I would make sure that I would go to Ubud for maybe like 3-4 days. Canggu, maybe like 2 days.
Yeah, I think it just depends on the individual, really.
Yeah.
I think it depends on what kind of vibe you are. Like if you want to party a lot more, then Canggu is definitely the place to go. If you want more of a chilled...
Or no, if you want to do more touristy things, then go to Ubud, Uluwatu, and the islands as well, like Nusa Penida, Gili Islands. Because I feel like Canggu, it's good, but it doesn't have much tourist attractions apart from like beach clubs and good restaurants and bars and clubs. So if you want to come here for a holiday and actually enjoy the culture and the country, then definitely Ubud, Uluwatu, and the islands as well. And even the north of the island, which we haven't been to yet, but I've heard it's really good.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to going there. But also, I would say, if you are coming to Bali, make sure you don't just base yourself in one place for the whole time. So if you're here, let's say for 10 days, for example, do exactly what Shadea said. So maybe spend 2 or 3 days in certain places, just to make sure you see the whole island and the surrounding islands as well. Because there's so much to do. There's so much different kind of cultural aspects that are so different in the different parts of Bali that it would be a shame to miss out on if you don't come. So I would say definitely travel around and get the proper full vibe of Bali. Exactly. I think that's the best way to do it. Don't you think?
Because it's so different. Each area offers different things, different cultures, different aspects and attractions. And I feel like if you just go to one place, you haven't really seen the whole of Bali. So
yeah, definitely. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shorter than normal because Shadea's in a yoga course. How are you finding your yoga course?
I love it. I absolutely love it. It's exceeded my expectations. I've just feel like even the last 2 weeks I've just grown so much spiritually as well, mentally, physically. It's just been a whole well-rounded thing, and it's not just yoga as in the physical aspects, it's also yoga in terms of meditation and cleansing and purify the mind. So I'm going to do a whole video on my experience on my own channel. It's pending. Obviously I don't have much time to edit it, but it's recorded. Once I finish my training, I'm going to be posting on my own channel, which will be at Shadea, because of course my name is all of my socials.
Very unique name. So
so it'll be at Shadea on YouTube, and then when it's done, you guys can ask me questions if you are interested in yoga training, and I'll be happy to provide some answers on my experience.
Since we're doing plugs for our own personal pages, also check out my personal YouTube page. It's kind of different content to this. It's more, I don't know, what would you say?
Lifestyle, but kind of like fitness lifestyle-ish.
Yeah, so check out my page on YouTube as well at Chad Baptiste. And again, Instagram at Chad Baptiste, Instagram
at Shadea.
But yeah, I hope you guys found the video useful. Again, any questions, just comment below or message us on Instagram, and we'll make sure we'll either answer in the comments or we'll do a whole video on it. So until next time, make sure you like and subscribe.
Peace.